case ki bathma ki balong positive hadu menta ki long sau but nakini ki sau East Khas Hills South Ho iway na po BSF but life kandai na kiway East Jaintia Hills iway West Garo Hills lai ki case barok lumlang ki balong active hadu menta ki long news pa live fulai but nakini ki news pa live fulai south pa ar fulai ki dei na po East Khas Hills but nakini south pa ar fulai new fu ar ki dei na po BSF ki way ki dei ars pa prafuai but ki armed forces new po West Khas Hills lai Southwest Khas Hills iway ribhoi shispa West Jaintia Hills South East Jaintia Hills Sun West Garo Hills Shispa Prafusau Southwest Garo Hills Lai South Garo Hills R East Garo Hills Mdan North Garo Hills Pra ni ong na East Khas Hills kidon South Ho but nagini South Ho iway ite na po BSF iway ite high risk contact jong iway balang positive but life fra kidai kiba niyo hangte po rilbong bangile random sampling menen janmir adon na min West Garo Hills lai kini baro lai kidai kibangiyo na po tikrikila East Jaintia Hills iway idai interstate driver kini ki area barkhaj kat bala hi ingin le abet da micro containment mo te mene mentan ki Dr. Jongi ki ladap let chit ki jaka but ka jaka ka bangi containment ta hate ha por rilbong kalong Nepali compound rilbong from the house of Srimati Roma Devkota Mira store up to the house of Srimati Sushma Talukdar and further down up to the river Umjasai. The shops that are located in the building of Mrs. B.M. Kurba and 3 mantra buildings opposite the puja mandap. Tarau sa ising anong biang ba kam singan but ke station kandai ke bawah bangin yami than sabar bangin jele pampikir namar kumangilaong hi barabor to kani kajengpang kan long kum kiwi flui kamdadan system dai kapur step ha da kapur step kum kalong menta bagi dan protocols kan wara jeng e padai kitu ki ba long ki high risk but kitu ki balong positive but hayeng asam jong kiro